Hey, are you tired of playing games just for fun, when you could be cashing out real money or even stacking up some Bitcoin? If you're looking to turn your gaming time into actual PayPal cash or crypto, you're in the right place. I'm about to show you a legit app that pays you simply to play. No scams, no complicated side hustles, just games and easy money. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on the latest money-making ideas. Also, let me know your country in the comments so I can drop region-specific hustle tips just for you. Alright, let's get into it. The app I'm talking about is called Sweet Bitcoin. It's a mobile game available worldwide, and the best part is, you earn real Bitcoin, Ethereum, or PayPal cash just by playing. This isn't one of those sketchy apps that promise the world and never pay out. Sweet Bitcoin has over 1 million downloads and an impressive 4.7-star rating from more than 65,000 reviews. That's some serious street cred. If you're already a fan of games like Candy Crush, you're going to feel right at home. It's a tile-matching puzzle game where your goal is to match 3 of the same tiles to clear the board. Each level has a specific target, and you get a set number of moves to hit that goal. The more levels you complete, the more bling points you rack up. Now, here's where things get interesting. Every time you finish a level, you earn bling points, which you can later redeem for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or straight-up PayPal cash. It's super easy to cash out. Just link your Coinbase or PayPal account and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. Want to boost your earnings even faster? Sweet Bitcoin has a referral program too. Share your unique link with friends, and you'll both score extra points when they join and start playing. So yeah, you can literally earn while your friends play too. So if you've got a few minutes to spare each day and you love puzzle games, why not use that time to earn a little extra cash or crypto? It's fun, it's easy, and hey, the rewards are real. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried making money with gaming apps before? Got any other favorite side hustle apps? I'd love to hear what's working for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video with your hustle buddies, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ways to earn online. And remember, turn on those notifications so you're always the first to know when a new opportunity drops. Catch you in the next one.